up, guys? Here to show you the 2019 that I just wrapped up. It's a Gen 3 Coyote, obviously. A10. It's a performance package, premium, the whole works. I believe every option you can get. This thing has the adaptive cruise control, lane assist, heated cooled seats, pretty much everything. I think that it was available in 2019. I don't know, but I know it has a lot of stuff. Anyways, just got done putting the Whipple on it. Just gonna do a little walk around, show it to you. I'm sure this thing will be doing Mexico runs. For any of those runs, I'll drop their link in the bottom, but more than likely those runs will be on Street Science Texas channel, so I'll put those below. So yeah, let me just get straight to it and show you the car. Alright, so here it is. Of course, like I said, remember this thing has pretty much everything, all kinds of gauge options and crazy stuff. Of course,
K-band.
Take this radar off. Alright, of course, the exhaust mode, track apps, gauges, all the works. Right now I have it's in normal mode. Put it to quiet. Maybe it'll help y'all hear me a little better. So yeah, I'll pop the hood. Get around to that in a second. Here's the car. Of course, it's on wheels. Nothing too crazy. The drowsy sticker at my shop. Nice little weld setup on it. Of course, it's just your typical 2019. Besides that, let me open the hood. Bear with me. Yeah, there it is. Good old Whipple Supercharger. Sure, you've probably seen enough already. 3.0. We have the 3.875 pulley on it right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to jump back in the car so you can hear me a little better, and I'll explain the rest of the mods. Alright, so as you can see, the typical Whipple setup, nothing crazy, nothing that you can't just Google and check out yourself. This one we did the ID1050X's, a Vortec plug-and-play booster pump, the Brisk plugs, 170 thermostat, Lund-tuned, of course, through the end gauge. What else? Oil pump gears and sprocket from Triangle Speed Shop. Long tubes. It has actually a complete Corsa exhaust, long tubes, all the way through the catback. We took the bottleneck connector out, so it's full 3-inch after the headers. I believe that's it. I should be getting it on a dyno very soon too. The same one, if y'all have seen the video that we took the GT500s to, I believe we're gonna put it on the same dyno. I believe it was a dyno pack. It's a hub dyno, so we like the realistic numbers. Takes a lot of the factors out and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll keep y'all posted on anything else that happens to it. Fuel system is next. We'll be doing some E85, and hoping to be currently right now for pump gas, hoping to be 675 to 700 range, hoping, based off of other setups that I've looked up, like on Google, like I said. That seems very doable. So like I said, 675 to 700, and then when we go E85, hoping maybe in the 775 to 800 range. But I guess we'll have to see, we'll have to find out. I believe that's it, guys. Thank y'all for dropping by, and I'll keep y'all updated on anything else, any other builds I have coming. So thank y'all, and I'll see y'all later.